Hi everyone, welcome back to the Looney Ballooney Learning Centre. As always, I'm Tess, and we're continuing our Fundamentals in Ballooning series with the 5-inch daisy flower. Okay, so we have here 5-inch balloons, right? And we've got 5 of them. We're going to inflate them to, I use a 0.8 on the legenda, or it would be a double pump in your hand pump, okay? Or 3.5 inches if you want, okay? Now, you can make these any size you want, but this is what I do. And so we make a duplet. We make another duplet. And then we make a single, and we tie the single into one of the duplets. If you put the 2 duplets together first and then try adding in the single afterwards, it won't look right. It'll look like it's being pushed out, okay? So have that in there, and it creates the 5-petal daisy flower, okay? But as you can see, it doesn't stay all on its own. So we are going to make the centers for it, okay? Now, I'm using red to show you contrast, okay? We are going to put 0.3 on the legenda, and let's just see here. There we go. That's about a 2.5 inch, okay? Okay, tie those 2 together a little bit loosely because we're going to do something special with it, okay? You're going to come through and spin it around to get one red in the front and one red in the back, and that will hold your daisy flower just nicely. But if you want a nice depth, make another 5 daisy flower. I've gone ahead and done that first. And you can spin that around, and this is why I give it a little bit of room, so that you can spin it around, and then you have a front and back daisy flower that's a little bit fuller, okay? And it stays nicely on itself. It's not going to concave on you, and you can use these as decorations for any number of things. All right? I hope this helped you on your journey of ballooning yourself. Bye for now.